Chapter 2, Reward of Hard Work. Robert was a lazy fellow. He hated hard work. The only thing he liked was to lie in the warm sun and sleep. His wife Laura worked hard and somehow managed to keep the pot boiling, but she could not earn enough to make both ends meet. Finally, the family ran into heavy debt. Almost every day, their neighbors could hear Lara scolding Robert over his lethargy. But even these scoldings had a little impact on Robert. Their small house was located on a hilltop, surrounded by lush green forest. All around were green pastures where cattle grazed all day long. Down the slopes, the farmers worked in their fields. It was here on these fields that Lara used to work as a worker for a meagre sum of £1 daily. One day, as Lara was sulking, she said to Robert, "You always keep lying and pass out your time doing nothing. How long will it go on? Look, your body is getting heavier and out of shape. If you want to keep it in shape, you should at least go for a morning walk daily. The morning breeze might refresh you and you'd love to do something worthwhile." "But then," said Robert, yawning with eyes still half closed, "going for a walk will make me tired." "Good God!" Lara held her head in her hands. "I'm not asking you to do any work. Just go for a walk up to the nearby fields early in the morning. This is the least thing you could do, for heaven's sake." Okay, don't shout. From tomorrow I'll follow your advice," Robert replied lazily. And from the next day onwards, Robert started walking up to the nearby field each morning like an obedient child. Life went on as usual for the couple. However, one day as Robert was on his walking routine, luck smiled on him. A farmer was ploughing his field at some distance. Suddenly, his plough got stuck in something which was buried under layers of soil. He dug out the ground and was greatly surprised to find an urn full of gold coins. He extricated the urn and looked around cautiously if someone was there. At that very moment, he saw a young man coming to a certain point of the field and then turning back. "This guy must have seen me digging out the urn," the farmer thought. "Now he'll disclose the matter to the king's men, and then I'll have to part with my treasure trove completely. If I share half of the gold coins with the guy to keep him mum, it will be a better deal." So the farmer ran to catch the young man, who was none else but Robert, who was on his morning walk as usual. "My dear friend," the farmer said to Robert with folded hands, "please keep it a secret what you have seen. I'm willing to give you half the gold coins happily." Robert was, at first, puzzled, but as soon as his eyes caught sight of the urn in the field, he realized everything. "It's like a windfall for me, and I must accept it," he thought. So he took half of the gold coins and came home. "Look, Lara, I've got a surprise for you." He piled up the gold coins before her and explained the whole matter. Lara looked up in surprise, paused for a moment and said, "Robert, you got it because you did something rather than sitting idle at home." Now Robert had also realized the value of work. With the money he got, he purchased a small piece of land and began to work hard in his field. Lara helped him in his work and the two reaped a rich harvest every year. They lived happily ever after.